Dr. Osatohanmwen Osemwengie is a leading Black scientist and innovator. He is a distinguished figure in the fields of engineering and education. He is mainly recognized for his extensive academic achievements and pioneering contributions to drone technology. Osato was born in Edo State, Nigeria. He has an extraordinary educational background that includes 4 doctorate degrees and 7 master's degrees. His academic journey reflects his relentless pursuit of knowledge and excellence. He moved to the United States in 1982. Dr. Osemwengie earned his first PhD in curriculum and instruction from the University of Cincinnati. He continued to broaden his expertise with 3 additional doctorates in diverse fields, further solidifying his status as a polymath. His master's degrees span various disciplines, including software engineering from Regis University and information systems from the Keller Graduate School of Management. This extensive educational foundation has equipped him with a multidisciplinary perspective that is rare and highly valuable in the fields of technology and education. Dr. Osemwengie has made substantial contributions to the development of drone technology. His expertise in this field has been instrumental for the U.S. military, where he has been involved in building drones used for surveillance and tactical operations. His work extends to collaborations with NASA, contributing to projects such as the Mars Curiosity rover and the Mars 2020 rover. These contributions underscore his impact on both defense and space exploration technologies. Dr. Osemwengie is also the founder of the Open Robotics University, a tuition-free institution dedicated to providing advanced education in engineering. He is committed to making education accessible and fostering innovation in robotics. His work with advanced small multi-rotor aircraft and his contributions to the literature on drone technology have further established him as a leader in his field.